People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the...
Welcome to this episode of Chit Chat with Jerry Mahoney. How's it going, Jerry? Good, good. So, Jerry, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what we're going to be doing today in today's episode. It's not like the usual ones where we sing a song or tell a few jokes. We're going to be doing something kind of special. You ready for this?
Yeah. Oh boy, what is it?
Well, we're going to be getting a new family member.
A monkey?
No, not a monkey.
A tarantula?
No. No, Jerry, you're going to be getting a new brother or maybe a cousin.
Yeah?
Yeah. So we're going to be doing an unboxing today.
Oh, the family's growing. Oh, that's wonderful. Just wonderful.
And you're okay with that?
Yeah, as long as we keep calling the show Chit Chat with Jerry Mahoney.
All right, Jerry. Well, that sounds good. All right, without further ado, actually, we got to talk to a couple of the other lads first. We got to let them know, okay? So we'll spread the word and then we'll do the unboxing, okay?
Sounds good.
All right, I'm going to go get a couple of the other lads. So, Dave, I asked you to come into the Chit Chat studio because I wanted to talk to you about something that's happening today.
Yeah, you got me scared.
Well, we're going to be getting a new family member.
A chimpanzee?
No, not a chimpanzee.
A new car?
No, not a new car. We're going to get a new a new cousin for you.
Yeah? What's his name?
Don't know his name yet. We got to open up the box and see what he looks like and what he feels like. So are you okay with that?
Yeah, what do I get anyway?
Nothing. You get nothing. Okay, you're good to go?
Good to go. Let's do it.
So, Jerry, I took you away from playing solitaire because I wanted to talk to you a little bit about something that's happening today.
Yeah, what's that?
Well, we're going to be getting a new family member.
A snake?
No, not a snake.
Not another ventriloquist figure.
Boy, you're smart. You're a smart guy.
Yeah, that's right.
Yep, you're going to get a cousin, a brother. We're going to figure out what his name is, so you're welcome to watch. We're going to be doing an unboxing in just a moment. You good with that? You good to go?
Yeah. Gonna do it. Let's do it. Hey.
Okay, here we go. Okay, well, this is the moment we've been waiting for, the unboxing of a new figure that we have here. I'm very excited to open this particular box. This was a purchase I saw on Facebook, and Doug Price was making this figure available, and it is a vintage 1950s era puppet, actually a ventriloquist figure. Might call it a puppet because the maker of this particular figure was a puppet maker primarily, and his name was Martin Stevens. And Martin Stevens and his wife started the puppet company, Stevens Puppets, and got involved in puppeteering. So he was primarily a marionette and puppet maker, but he did make, apparently he made 6 figures, not 6 figures, but 6 ventriloquist figures, and this is one of them. I was doing a little research on Martin Stevens and saw a video by Jimmy V, of course, famous from Orlando, Florida, the Dummy Blog, and Jimmy had talked about a puppet that was made in tribute to a fellow named Junior, also known as Eddie O'Connor. Eddie O'Connor now lives at the Vent Haven Museum. So this particular puppet that I'm opening today is a cousin of Eddie. If you know of any other figures out there that are still around, I would love to see some pictures of them, find out who owns the puppets. I haven't been able to get any other photographs that I can find online. So this is pretty exciting. I've got a little hat here, a little teaser for this particular puppet, or figure I should say. We'll do his head last, okay? We're going to take off his hands have been, with a good packaging, his hands have been protected. All right, and here is his body. All right, he's got nice broad shoulders. He's got a little bow tie, a little shirt, and his shoes in particular are pretty cool. All right, and let's now pull out his head. And when I saw this post, I just thought, wow, I just love the face of this little guy. So here we go, the big reveal. Isn't that wonderful? Look at that wonderful face. And we've got the kind of the old pull string here. All right. And so we're going to name him something. We're going to find out what his personality is. But we don't want to rush that. We want him to make that decision once we get him into my lap and he begins to talk. So there he is. I don't want to make him talk yet. Okay. So that is a Martin Stevens figure, one of 6 that apparently Martin Stevens made. And so if you know anything about this particular maker, I would like to learn more. There are some photographs on the internet, a little bit of history. Stevens Puppets still exists. It's still a company. And the puppeteering, the marionette performances they did were Shakespeare, performances that were designed for adults, not just for kids. So hope you enjoyed today's unboxing, and we'll be back with this little guy once he figures out his personality. Okay? Thanks for watching today on Chit Chat with Jerry Mahoney. See you next time.
People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end. People, let